Car engine production begins with high-quality aluminum and steel for strength and durability.
The engine block is formed by pouring molten metal into precision molds.
Once cooled, the engine blocks are cleaned and prepared for machining.
Advanced CNC machines shape the block with extreme accuracy. Cylinders are bored to exact dimensions for perfect piston movement. The crankshaft is forged and polished to convert piston motion into rotation.
Pistons and connecting rods are assembled and installed into the block.
The cylinder head seals the engine and holds valves and spark plugs. Fuel injectors deliver precise fuel amounts for efficient combustion. Fuel injectors deliver precise fuel amounts for efficient combustion. Cooling and lubrication systems prevent overheating and wear.
Sensors monitor engine performance and ensure smooth operation.
Each engine is tested for power, efficiency, and emissions. The camshaft controls valve timing for air and fuel flow.
After final inspection, engines are shipped to vehicle assembly plants.